Get ready, creators, because the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is set to completely transform the world of compact filmmaking. DJI has done it again, proving that creativity doesn't depend on size, but on vision. With this release, they've packed professional-grade filmmaking power into something that literally fits in your pocket. The Osmo Pocket 4 has recently appeared in stunning renders and early previews, and it's already creating a massive buzz across the creative and tech community. Carrying the bold slogan, "Make art, not war," DJI is clearly reminding creators that innovation should serve imagination. This isn't just a camera, it's a storytelling companion. A device designed for those who want to capture life in motion, wherever it happens. From enhanced optics and intelligent stabilization to a sleeker, smarter design, the Pocket 4 is crafted to empower creativity on the go. You're watching Lenz Loop, and today, we're diving deep into everything that makes the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 one of the most exciting creative tools of the decade. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a major evolution for creators who crave cinematic quality in a truly portable package. It builds on everything that made the Pocket 3 great, but now it takes each feature several notches higher. At the heart of this innovation is a dual-lens camera system, a first for the Pocket series. Early reports point to a 24mm wide lens paired with a 70mm zoom lens, giving users the best of both worlds. Sweeping wide shots and sharp close-ups, without ever needing to swap lenses or carry extra gear. This combination means you can go from a scenic travel panorama to a detailed portrait with just a quick switch. This compact powerhouse is supported by a 3-axis gimbal powered by a refined AI stabilization algorithm. DJI's engineers have tuned it to deliver ultra-smooth footage even when you're running, panning quickly, or filming handheld action scenes. The result is cinematic stability that looks like it came from a professional gimbal rig, all in a device that fits in your palm. Design-wise, the Pocket 4 represents a step towards smarter usability. Its rotating touchscreen lets you easily switch between vertical and horizontal modes, making it perfect for both traditional filmmaking and vertical social content. Whether you're shooting cinematic travel footage or quick TikTok clips, the transition between formats feels effortless and fluid. DJI has added new physical controls too. A 3D remote sensor button provides precision handling, while the PDZ lock button keeps your framing consistent even during fast pans or movements. These small upgrades make a big difference for users who rely on accuracy in every frame. Another clever touch is the integrated mini tripod built right into the handle. It may sound simple, but for creators constantly filming on location, it's a game changer. No more scrambling for mounts or stands, just unfold, set up, and shoot. Now let's talk sensors. Rumors suggest that one of the Pocket 4's lenses houses a 1-inch sensor, which could dramatically boost detail, dynamic range, and low-light capability. Expect richer textures, deeper shadows, and more natural color transitions. The secondary lens could either function as a telephoto zoom or a depth-sensing camera, allowing for improved autofocus tracking, depth mapping, and even augmented reality awareness in future software updates. DJI may also be expanding its collaboration with Hasselblad, bringing that brand's legendary color science to the Osmo Pocket 4. If true, it means the footage you capture will already have that professional, cinematic look. No heavy post-processing required. The new 2.5-inch rotating display offers 480 by 800 resolution and up to 800 nits of brightness, making it crisp and clear even under strong sunlight. The touch interface is said to be more responsive and intuitive, giving creators faster access to modes, exposure settings, and tracking options. Speaking of tracking, Active Track 7.0 could be one of the standout features. By combining phase detection and eye tracking, the camera can maintain razor-sharp focus on moving subjects, whether the person's running, a pet playing, or a car in motion. In terms of performance, the Pocket 4 reportedly supports 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, enabling breathtaking slow-motion playback. Combine that with DJI's hybrid mechanical and electronic stabilization, and you get motion that feels naturally smooth and immersive. Despite its power, the Pocket 4 remains lightweight, around 190 grams, and compact enough for daily carry. Its slightly larger frame accommodates new hardware, while maintaining DJI's signature minimalist design. It feels solid, refined, and ready for any adventure. In essence, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just a camera. It's a full creative studio that fits in your pocket. From powerful sensors to intelligent controls, it's built for those who want to turn everyday moments into cinematic stories. And that's the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a bold leap forward in portable creativity. With its dual-lens camera system, upgraded stabilization, brighter touchscreen, and advanced AI features, this compact tool redefines what's possible for creators who live on the move. It's more than just technology. It's an invitation to create without limits. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, traveler, or storyteller, the Pocket 4 puts professional filmmaking tools right in your hand. Every feature feels designed with intention to inspire creativity, simplify shooting, and help you share your perspective with the world. DJI continues to blur the line between artistry and innovation, and the Osmo Pocket 4 might just be their most inspiring step yet. So what do you think? Could this be the ultimate compact camera for the next generation of creators? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. Thanks for watching Lenz. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay tuned for more deep dives into the latest in tech and creative filmmaking. Until next time, stay inspired and keep making art that moves the world